up guys, Mark Augustine here, and in this video we're going to cover two things. One, I'm going to show you how to find the items that have sold from a seller, and two, I'm going to show you the first step in building a solid eBay dropshipping business. The first step in building a solid and successful eBay dropshipping business. Like the channel, like the video, subscribe to the channel. So who am I? My name is Mark Augustine. I've been dropshipping on eBay for more than 10 years, and I've sold over $20 million. I'm planning to have another grind camp soon. We have a course and a piece of software that you can use so you could build your eBay business called Ecom Sniper, and I'll put a link in the description. Now, this video, the first part of this video is specifically for a gentleman that reached out to me on YouTube. His name is Ishmael. So Ishmael, this video is specifically for you, and I'll send you the direct link. If any of you guys want me to cover something specific, put it in the comment section. Send me a direct message on Telegram. So join the Telegram group, send me a message. I'll make a video, help you build whatever you want in an eBay dropshipping business. But I think both Ishmael and this other gentleman, was it Ishmael or was the other guy? There are two new guys in the grind camp group, and one of them shared that he was finding it hard. No, it's not Ishmael, it's the other guy. He goes at MN in the grind camp group. But anyway, he was saying that he couldn't find items sold on eBay. So the first part of this video is a couple, like maybe a minute or two, showing you how to find the items that sold on eBay without a piece of software, so you'll know to sell the items. So let me jump into that. Alright guys, so I'm in my computer. So the first part of this video is, and this is specifically, how to show items sold from a specific seller. So I was playing around on eBay looking for some items to sell, and I know this is a dropship item. Why do I know it's a dropship item? Because it's sold for $84.09. And let me find out like a source for the item. So if I search Google, I see it's on Amazon, 5-cup mini brew for $42.18. No, well, that's the white one. Where's the black one? The black one is even cheaper. The black one is $24.99. So he is selling it for $84.09, and it actually sold once. I don't know when it sold. We can use Ecom Sniper to check that out, but that's not the point of this video. The point of this video is to find items that sellers have sold. And this is another guy selling the same item for $74. So he's also a dropshipper. So if I copy his name, so his name is Z something. So I go to advanced search, open that there. So what do I want? I want sold items, because okay, so first you want to see I'm showing you, when you come down here, you can put the name of the seller here, right? But what we are concerned about is the items that he successfully sold, because we want to sell those same items for less money and make some money. And you hit search. So on the eBay side, if you notice, this is green. This is green. This sold August 21st. This sold July 17th. Now, I don't know if I want to sell this item. I simply am showing you how to find what he has sold, right? So he's selling for 19 something. Let me search Google. And we definitely can't sell this for profit, so because it's $30 something. Is it? No. Anyway, but the point of this video is for you guys to see how to, the point of part one of this video is for you guys to see how to find items that are sold. So, all right, part two of this video is to show you guys how to build a seller's list. Now, what is a seller's list and why are you building a bloody seller's list? So a seller's list is a list of competing eBay sellers, so other people that sell on eBay that are also dropshipping. Now, why do you want that seller's list? You want that seller's list because the sniping strategy makes using a seller's list in the sniping strategy makes it easier. So you build a list of, let's say, 100, 200 sellers who are dropshipping, and you spend maybe a day doing only that. After you do that, then you go take their top selling items or take their currently selling items and sell it on your eBay account. So let me jump into my computer and show you how to manually build a sellers list real quick so that you could start making money drop shipping. Okay, so we're back in my computer. So this is a brand new sellers list. This is the end of August. So I'm in my computer. I'm making a list of sellers. Why do I want this list of sellers? Because I want to record the seller's name and his feedback. Why do I want this feedback? Because generally speaking, sellers with like 50 feedback to 1,000 feedback is the guys you want to snipe the most. They're selling successfully. You know that because they're getting feedback, and you know that generally they're not a big seller because they don't have like 10,000 feedback, right? So this guy only sold 7 items. I may add him because in the future he might get better, but it's not someone I will regularly snipe, right? So he has 1 feedback. So let's see this other guy. So how do you build a sellers list? You can build a sellers list by first using an item that you know is dropship. So this guy is definitely dropshipping his item. He has 1,581 feedback. So that's actually a perfect seller we'll want to snipe. And I will use Ecom Sniper to snipe him in a future video. But in this video, I'm just showing you guys how to build a sellers list. This is part of the free training that I'm putting out for you guys. So I'm closing this. I have him already, and he's 1581. So I want to save his score, 1581. And I would suggest that you guys spend about 2 or 3 hours one day in a week and building a couple of 100 sellers. So when you're ready to find items to sell, it's pretty easy. Now, how you find more sellers is below the item. There's similar items. So these are sponsored, and then these are also sponsored items. But what you could see from these items is that once it is priced much higher than the source we already found, you could kind of assume that they are dropship items. You'll be surprised how many people are dropshipping. So we know that this item is like what, 35 bucks? I think it was pretty cheap. Where is it? Right, so the black one was 25 bucks. So this guy should be another dropshipper, salary 14. And we could check a couple of things, but I want to save him. Salary 14. He has a feedback of what? 178. I like those type of numbers. Those are the guys you want to snipe. This is another guy, Cocktail 54. And he has a feedback score of 240. Another guy that you could snipe. And I'm already up to 1, 2, 3, 4 sellers in a matter of minutes, right? And we could continue. You go below that, see what else shows up. See if we want to find all the people that maybe this person damn well maybe drop shipping it because it's a $25 item. This person only has 2 feedback, not really feeling it. And you're gonna find guys selling for like 32 bucks, hardly making money, hardly making a profit. But generally, those are not the guys you want to snipe. This guy has 11 feedback. He might be going for really low profit margins. So I may not want to snipe him. I may not find margin in there. But I'm just saving him just in case. And now going back to what we talked about earlier in the video that I made for this gentleman who asked. I could go back here. And this is without software, right? I'm not listing anything without software. That's time consuming. I use Ecom Sniper, and I suggest that you all use Ecom Sniper. But let's see. So I'm putting the seller here. That's advanced search. I want all sold and completed items, and I hit search. And now I have 163 items that have successfully sold. I could manually go through, sell one like this, sell one like this, sell one like this, and list all his bloody items. Or I could use Ecom Sniper and click a couple of buttons and also list his items. So guys, like the video, subscribe to the channel, let me know what you think. This is part 1. I'm helping you guys learn step by step how to dropship on eBay. Have a good one, guys. I really hope you appreciate the video. I tried to cover 2 simple ideas or 2 simple processes in the eBay dropshipping business model. If you have follow-up questions, let me know in the comment section. If you want me to make specific videos, again, reach out to me, come to Grand Gang Group. I'll answer your questions. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, check out links in the description. Peace.